Imagine an animal that looks like it came straight out of a science fiction movie. It lives underwater. It has a face that almost looks like it's smiling, and feathery branches grow from the sides of its head like something out of a dream. But here's the part that sounds impossible. If this animal loses a limb, it simply grows it back. No scar, no trace it was ever gone. Meet the axolotl, one of the strangest salamanders on Earth. Axolotls are native to Mexico, and their scientific name is Ambystoma mexicanum. Unlike frogs and most other amphibians, axolotls never really grow up. They keep their large external gills, their long tail, and their youthful body, even as full adults. This is called Neoteny, and it means an axolotl basically spends its entire life looking like a larva that refused to leave the water. Those feathery structures on their heads? Not decorations. They're external gills, pulling oxygen straight from the water. Axolotls can also breathe through lungs, and even through their skin. 3 ways to breathe, just in case one isn't enough. And despite the almost smiling face, axolotls are full carnivores. They hunt worms, insect larvae, small crustaceans, and tiny fish. But instead of chasing prey, they wait, perfectly still, until the moment is right. Then, gulp, the prey disappears in an instant, sucked straight into their mouth. But hunting isn't even the strangest thing about this animal. Regeneration is. Cut off an axolotl's leg, and it doesn't just heal. It rebuilds the entire limb from scratch. Bone, muscle, nerves, blood vessels, all perfectly reformed, almost without a scar. And it can do this again, and again, for the same limb without wearing out. Doesn't stop at legs. Axolotls can regrow their tail, parts of their jaw, sections of the spinal cord, and even portions of the heart and brain. Here's where it gets even stranger. An axolotl's immune system is unusually tolerant. Scientists have transplanted limbs, even parts of the head, from one axolotl to another, and the body accepted it, almost without rejection. And on top of all that, axolotls show remarkably low rates of cancer, which is part of why scientists study them so closely, hoping their secrets could one day help repair damaged human tissue. But there's a heartbreaking side to this story. In the wild, axolotls are critically endangered. Their natural habitat around Mexico City has shrunk and degraded for decades. Today, wild axolotls survive mainly in the canals and wetlands of Xochimilco, squeezed by pollution, habitat loss, and invasive fish like carp and tilapia. Millions of axolotls exist in captivity in laboratories worldwide. But that doesn't mean the species is safe. The real fight is protecting the wild places they still call home. And here's something else worth knowing. Axolotls come in a striking range of colors, from ghostly white to golden yellow to a glowing green under black light. But unlike a chameleon, they can't change color on command. Each one is simply born with its own unique palette. Those delicate gills and soft skin aren't built for handling, though. The best way to appreciate an axolotl is to simply watch it without disturbing it. From an ancient Mexican legend to modern regeneration labs, the axolotl has traveled an extraordinary journey. It looks like a creature that never finished growing up. But that unfinished appearance is actually one of nature's most remarkable adaptations. Sometimes the strangest animals aren't strange because something went wrong. They're strange because evolution found a completely different way to survive. If you want to see more animals like this, the ones that break every rule, hit follow. There's a whole world of weird still waiting.